Hi, myself Satnam Ahmad. Can I know your name and age?
Jai Vishal, 22.
So today I am here to examine your nose, mouth and neck. So do you feel any discomfort? Please let me know. Okay?
Okay.
Okay. So let's proceed to the first nose examination. I might touch your nose and flash a light in your nose. Is it okay with you?
Yeah, okay.
Okay. Do you have cold or nose surgery before?
No.
Okay. So let's check for patency. Can you close your one nostril and breathe out with other? Okay. Do alternatively with other nostril. Okay. Let me inspect your nose. Your nose looks symmetrical and your patency is normal. So for next step, I can use otoscope or pen light. I will use pen light to flash into your nose. Is it okay with you?
Yeah, okay.
Okay. Just relax. Do you feel any pain?
No.
Okay. Now I am going to flash pen light to look inside the nose. Okay. I can see nasal septum and lateral margins and posterior wall and medial and lateral turbines which are pinkish in color. Now I am going to palpate your sinuses. This is frontal sinuses. Do you feel any pain?
No.
Okay. Now I am palpating maxillary sinuses. Do you feel any pain?
No.
Okay. Now I am going to illuminating your sinuses. I am going to flash light to look the sinuses. Is it okay?
Yeah, okay.
Okay. Okay. Now maxillary sinuses. Open. Can you open your mouth? Okay. Can you close? So your sinuses are normal. So your nose examination is completed. Thank you. Let's move on to neck examination. For this, I might touch your neck. Is it okay with you?
Yeah, okay.
Okay. Let me inspect your neck first. So there is no lesions, no lumps, and no lacerations observed. Uh, so let's move on to palpation. Can you look left, right? This is sternocleidomastoid muscle. Trapezius muscle. Can you look straight? I can palpate your C1, C2. Now move on to. Can you look up? I can feel thyroid cartilage. I can feel cricoid cartilage. For isthmus, ask your patient to drink some water. Can you have a sip? Okay. I can feel isthmus. Okay. Now move on to lymph nodes. Pre-auricular lymph nodes, posterior auricular, and now occipital lymph nodes, tonsillar lymph nodes, submandibular lymph nodes, submental lymph nodes, superficial cervical lymph nodes, deep cervical lymph nodes, posterior cervical lymph nodes. Try to find superficial cervical chains. Try to check for trachea for symmetrical. Okay. Clavicular lymph nodes. Okay, now you can put on the button. So your neck examination is done. Thank you for your cooperation. Let's move on with the mouth examination. Can you open your mouth? And now I'm going to examine your lips. Your lip color is normal. Lips look symmetrical and no moisture is visible and no deformatives. Now move on to buccal mucosa. Can you open your mouth? Okay, no ulcers, no patches, no nodules and no pigmentation. Color is normal. Now move on to gums. Can you open your mouth? Okay, gums color is normal. No swelling, no bleeding, no retractions, no decolorations, no pus in margins and regions of jejunal margin is visible. Now move on to teeth. No teeth are missing, no extra teeth and no decoloration of teeth, no caries, no fillings. Can you open your mouth? No fillings, no bridges and braces. Now move on to roof and floor of the mouth. Can you open your mouth? I can see the hard palate, soft palate. There is no decoloration, no deformatives, no lesions and masses and no odor. So now move on to tongue examination. Can you open your mouth and could you stick out the tongue? Okay, I'm going to touch your tongue. No abdominal movements, no fastulas. Size and shape is normal, symmetrical and no lesions are observed. Now I'm going to inspect palate, vulva and tonsils and posterior pharyngeal valves. Can you open your mouth? And can you say ah?
Ah.
Once more, can you say ah?
Ah.
Okay. I can see your posterior valve, pharyngeal valve. Now can you open your mouth once again? Can you say ah?
Ah.
Can you again say ah?
Ah.
Okay. I can see soft palate rising up. So the test for cranial nerve 10 is normal, which is vagus nerve. And can you open your mouth once again? Can you say ah?
Ah.
Okay. No swellings, no ulceration of tonsillar enlargement and no tenderness. So your mouth examination is normal. Thank you for your cooperation.